Assalamualaikum guys, today Moisarik is here and today I'm having a friend with me. We're gonna go to a shop where she wants to do her nail. So please introduce.
Hello, I'm from China and my English name is Daisy.
Yeah, she's Daisy, she's a good friend of mine and today we are in Trufeng, China. Actually she was telling me like she wants to do some nail things and some facial etc. So she asked me to go with her, so I'm accompanying her. Today we're gonna go to a shop who seems like this. Those guys used to do the nails and some other stuff too. So today my plan is to show you guys how Chinese people do the nail thing because it's really popular among China, among Chinese girls. So let's go Daisy, let's see how they do. फ्रेंड्स ये है हमारे यहाँ के बॉस हैं जो ये स्टोर को चला रहे हैं. इस वक्त ये बैठकर कुछ देख रही हैं. इनसे चलते हैं, बात करते हैं. 老板你好，你干嘛呢？ So boss is saying she's using the TikTok, the Chinese one. 那好玩吗？刷抖音好玩吗？好玩。他说so viewers, as you can see, she's saying it's really nice to play some TikTok when you are at the shop. 会剪辑不？会剪辑。挺好的 She can even edit some videos too. So let's see. Is the shop? In China, usually the shops are like this. So ये देखें जैसा कि यहाँ पर different types of nail categories, nail colors हैं. Every category is different from the first one. For example, this one. These are some different types of color. They even mention the colors on it. So you see. These are some Chinese styles. And also here some Korean words. I don't understand Korean, but for Chinese I can. Yeah, it's good. 我们还有一个朋友 We also have another friend. So what's your name? 你叫啥呀？名字呢？She's 念念。伊娃，手机的名字。Oh, she's having a name. 手机的名字是伊娃。So her phone's name is Eva. 念念，你想做哪家？
我现在在犹豫。这个颜色
这个颜色
或者这个颜色，看这个颜色也很漂亮。
对，很 beautiful. So guys, she's doing this type of nails, this color, and also that one. It's a mixture of two colors. She gonna do. So you see guys, first they have to put some gel or some kind of glue and then they put the nail.
桌椅好像是这个名。大家觉得哪个好看？
应该是你选的哪个都好看。
谢谢博主。
They are first selecting the nails which
can fit on the finger.
长一点，这样行吗？
Oh, so Nian Nian is saying she likes the long nails. 你喜欢长的，对吧？
长一点的，
啊，
我觉得
长一点的。
长一点的好看。
She's
显
saying,
得手细细长，对。
yeah, she's saying if you have the long nails, it looks beautiful.
But for me, I don't have. You see, guys, how they used to do.
So the next step, they have to file the nails again.
的旋律都可以随便用那个啥你说的挑吧。
啊，年年疼吗？
不疼，
不疼。
不疼。
So I asked her like if she's having the pain because of the nail filing. She's saying no. 为啥呢？
就是不疼啊。
哎呀。
为
She's
啥不
saying,
疼？
she's saying there is not any type of feeling
是
like
感
when
觉
you are
看起
filing the
来
nails.
很疼是吗？
对，看起来是有一点疼，因为
指甲
对，但是没有。
没有，
I just ask her कि अगर उसके जैसे वो नेल फाइल कर रहे हैं तो स्किन के ऊपर लग सकता है तो दर्द वगैरह भी हो सकता है but she is saying no nothing like that it's easy
你们家那边没有美甲是吗？
有的但是我没出过she's asking me like in our hometown is there girls doing the same thing I said yes must be it has to be definitely but I didn't have an opportunity to see that in the home so it is what it is
差不多就行。
So guys, देखिए ये गर्ल्स talk है जो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होती है among Pakistanis even among Chinese. When girls started talking, you can't stop them. You see? So one more thing, guys, I wanna tell you. If you want to do the nail things, you should have spare time for almost 1 hour because it takes 1 hour to complete. OMG! And I heard that I was like amazed. How? Why?
他还带个小号呢，别忘了。
姐你在放什么呢
双是保护指甲的，保护指甲。
啊 I don't know what to say but it is something a kind of maybe a kind of glue or some protective material that can protect from the infection because I just understand 保护 mean protect something年年你觉得怎么样
觉得感觉非常好啊，很高兴啊，换指甲很高兴，非常开心。
So you see guys she's saying she's really happy she enjoyed the moment and she's happy to have her doing the nails like this because she have selected a color after some time I will show you guys which color she have selected so we will
出奇的那个啥，
出奇疼，
不是出奇的，它就是抽着它就疼。
啊年年现在疼不疼
疼啊，刚才很疼，
So you see
非
guys
常疼。
after applying this thing she's having pain Yeah, so guys, you see she have finished the nails and she looks so beautiful. Let me show
一
you.
首中文歌曲。
Yeah, she's saying, yeah, she's gonna sing a song.
来到我身边。
So guys, finally it's done and you see it looks so beautiful. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं हमने फिनिश कर लिया वो पार्ट. अब मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ यहाँ पर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ड्रेसेस